Hi, welcome. Welcome to Chef Gary AI. Now today I'm not feeling well, a little bit under the weather. Today I'm gonna make I'm making chicken chicken sofrito Edo soup. Okay, I have all the ingredients. Okay, I have a little bit of chicken, fresh chicken from the poacher place. There's the fresh chicken. Okay, and here is tomato, scallion, pepper, hot pepper, thyme, garlic, okay, onion, okay, and I have one chicken cube, and I have some sofrito, okay, I'm gonna use. Alright, this is a store ready made one. And here I have the carrots with the Edo, okay, kinda, this is American Edo, okay, I cut it up small pieces. And I have frozen spinach, okay, I'm gonna put it almost to the end, that is a chop. Alright, so far I have a little bit of oil in the pan. I'm gonna throw in my chicken. I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper. Four times. Add the tomato, onion, half an onion, one tomato. Scallion, I have like three stems of scallion. I'm gonna put it sofrito in. Got one. I'll put like two, okay? I'm gonna cut up the garlic. Full-fledged garlic. Let it fry up. Okay. Let's have a little bit of green seasoning on that. Unfortunately, the grease isn't finished. I got the hot pepper. I'm gonna put it here. Chicken cube. Okay. And always remember that when you get everything and boil all the spaces, you can see they need more salt and pepper. Okay. You gotta make adjustments on them, okay? Alright. I'm gonna put these in. Put some hot water. That's 2 cups of water. Put another. Just 4. That's total 4 cups of water. Okay. I'm gonna put like 6 cups of water. 6 to 8 cups of water. Okay. I don't like my soup thick. I like my soup liquid. If you like your soup thick, don't add too much water. Okay. I like to boil this down and it come to like a nice, not too loose, a nice soup. Okay, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna leave the spinach for last, and it's almost finished. I'm gonna add the spinach. Okay, I let this boil. Okay, and we'll cover it and let boil. Okay, come back and show you guys. And give it like 20 to 25 minutes and come back and look at it. Okay, all right. Let me see, the soup is finished. This is ready. Okay, look at it. I'm gonna boil this out and drink it hot. See guys, nice soup. When you're sick, you make a nice pot of soup. Okay. Right now I'm feeling under the weather. This is spinach, carrot, chicken. Okay. All right. You guys like, subscribe, and thank you again. I'm not feeling well. I just make a pot of soup. Okay. This is soup, guys. Make, okay. That's my plate of soup I'm gonna be drinking. That's the pot right there. Okay. And thank you guys again. Okay. Nice pot of soup. Okay, that's my plate right here. I'll be drinking it. Okay. Thank you again.